Hi friends, here's one of my favorite stories called The Very Hungry Caterpillar. In the light of the moon, a little egg lay on a leaf. There it is. My page doesn't want to turn, friends. Isn't it silly? And one Sunday morning, the warm sun came up and pop! Out of the egg came a tiny and very hungry caterpillar. It looks kind of small. He started to look for some food. On Monday, he ate through one apple, but he was still hungry. On Tuesday, he ate through 2 pears, but he was still hungry. On Wednesday, he ate through 3 plums, but he was still hungry. On Thursday, he ate through 4 strawberries, but he was still hungry. On Friday, he ate through 5 oranges, but he was still hungry. On Saturday, he ate through 1 piece of chocolate cake, 1 ice cream cone, 1 pickle, 1 slice of salami, 1 slice of cheese, 1 lollipop, 1 piece of cherry pie, 1 sausage, 1 cupcake, 1 watermelon, and that night he had stomach ache. He ate too much. The next day was Sunday again, and the caterpillar ate through 1 nice green leaf, and after that he felt much better. Now he wasn't hungry anymore, and he wasn't a little caterpillar anymore. He was a big fat caterpillar. He soon built his house called a chrysalis around himself. He stayed inside for more than 2 weeks. Then he nibbled a hole in his chrysalis, pushing his way out, and he became a beautiful butterfly. Look at that. Lots of colors. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye, friends.